Guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make macaroni and cheese. First, kick your dog in the face. Yeah. After you do that, grab the macaroni and cheese box. This is gonna take 2 hours. Next, you have the box. Open your drawer, grab a knife. This will do well. Yep, looks like it'll do well. After you cut your box open, because the game sucks, yes. Because the game sucks, you forcefully open it and you'll see. Let's go! Next, you want to grab this and you'll see that once you grab this, you have the cheese and you drop that, you check in here, is there anything more? Nope. That's fine. Now you read the instructions. Oh, you can't hear it? I mean, see it? That sucks. I can get wrecked. Alright. Remove lid and cheese sauce mix. Add water to line in cup. Stir. Oh, okay, that's fine. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a spoon, this thing, and a sink. Next, you put that in and you start putting in the water. And it fills up to the line. You think you put too much? Sucks to be you. If you put too much, because I did, we'll just do what I do. Next, you have your spoon. Stir it, guys. Like, you guys need to stir it. Beautiful stirring. Was it considered stirring? I allow it. Next, you put it in the microwave and you close it, because, like, I don't know. And it's 3.5 minutes. And now you just wait 2 hours. Do this by kicking your dog. You suck at living, Max. If that doesn't work, you want to open your door, you want to go outside. Let's go outside, guys. Warning, do this if you're only very hungry. While this is going on, but we just wait like a couple more seconds. Read that for me, guys. Anyways, 30 seconds. You realize that it's steaming. You guys can't see it. Oh, yes, you can. You grab it. And you realize, ooh, there's still more water. So here's the steps that you need. Step 1. Okay, here's step 1. Number 1, you want to grab this cup right here and walk away. You'll see this thing right here that's supposed to go on top. Grab that. Make sure a little bit is sticking out, I guess. I mean, you could just like find like something and make like a whole entire crap, but nah, I'm not doing that. See, once you do this, you want to do this. Oh shoot, all the macaroni's gone. Screwed it up. But you go here. And slowly. Ah! That burnt my finger. Freak. Okay, can I just like... That's it, I don't care anymore. That's ah. Once you tend to burn yourself, just put cold water on it. Get soaked. I don't know. I don't care. That's the end of the video. No, not really. Anyway, we're gonna grab this little cheese thing, and we're gonna break it. And we're gonna see cheese fly everywhere because I suck. See this little cheese, children? Tastes good. You pour the cheese, all of it. All the cheese. You want really cheesy? Get 2 cheeses. What? And get this, and you're gonna want to start stirring, children. It's gonna look very ugly. I don't know how to do anything in life, so it's not gonna fill with cheese. I mean, I want it filled with cheese, but you're gonna realize that my dog wants to come inside. So I'm taking a crap, Max. Okay, let's go inside, dog. Stop breaking your body. Now lock the door so no robbers want to steal my macaroni and cheese. Better. Anyways, guys, we go back to stirring. Stirring our beautiful, beloved macaroni. Tastes like macaroni and cheese. We just keep. After that, you see this, guys? We'll put water in it. Fill it with water, boys. This is what Area 51 wants us. Also, location and description below so you guys can kill me. Anyways, now that this is cold, let's eat. Tastes like macaroni and cheese. Just like that, your macaroni and cheese is done. Yes. 2 hours of eating your macaroni and cheese, you tend to forget that you have this open, so you close that, and magically it stops. Anyways, just for like a quick little outro, I will put my finger. Oh, yep. Put my finger on the camera.
Whoa. What in the world?